Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay pi baro kinikilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Hadin baka Sorkar Pdeng kalapan phai biang ya ka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act hadin ka jingbam pdeng ya ki kendon balapan kala thamai amendment jo ka Principal Act 2016. Nagalyang ka Sorkar MDE2 kalapan tip baka num ya ka jingelang hakatayo banwan banyakran sanibha halor ka MRSSA yathu uba Prestun Tensong Deputy Chief Minister. Uba tensong ulaong bo unumhi umintri rangba ka jilla batki banwani shimbenta. Kenday ki he officer ha kabanyatay kumno ban penya syakmat ya kakam. Dangsyan ka Sorkar jilla kalapentray kam ya ka MRSSA 2016 ha ki hinyo tuli kisnong hanong ba shilong. Kani gajing pentray kam ha ki hinyo shnong omri satya ban shim kum gajingle ba kensan ne badangsyan namar ba ka Sorkar kalade bantung lupa ya ki District Task Force. Yathu uba Prestun Tensong. Nagalyang ka Sorkar kala binshet haki Deputy Commissioner bakin pentray kamno Mardor ya ka MRSSA kumbakalong. Haka amendment omsyam la menjur satyara ka ministry bat apan phai pat shiying ngimla banong AA palan halor ka entry but exit point.
I think last time we have already told that the Ministry of Home Affairs has already returned back that amendment passed in the Assembly, and next week we are going to have a meeting. Chief Minister, myself, and a few senior officers, including Advocate General, will sit down and then how to go forward, because they have already submitted with their views from the Ministry of Home Affairs. So right now I will not be able to tell you anything. So let us first sit down. We'll have a meeting. Then you will be known. The implementation of this act has just happened few days back. No, we have already constituted even the district task force headed by the respective deputy commissioner, and then even the SPs. They are the members of this committee, and these task force committee is in place, and we have already directed all the deputy commissioners to implement this MRSSA Act accordingly and make sure in the respective jurisdiction that it should be implemented. Is about the digitalization of land records. The government of India, they are willing to fund this important project where they really wanted that each and every state they should digitalize the land in their respective state. So now we have a detailed discussion, and we decided that these responsibilities should be entrusted to all the three district council. They will become the implementing agency in their respective jurisdiction, and then we will have also, beyond that, we will have the project management unit, where we call it PMU, and this PMU is to be headed by the secretary of the head of the department of the DCA. Then the members will be from revenue department, all the respective deputy commissioners, and then all the respective district council. They'll be also part of this PMU. So these were the issues where we discussed, and we have already decided that once the notification comes out, then the district council, all the three district council, has to immediately implement this digitalization throughout the state. If you ask whether from the district council or from the state government, we don't have land record. Okay, there is no land record at all. So if you compare between Meghalaya and UP, in UP state, what they have, they already done this digitalization program, and it's so easy. Even my own private land, I have a proper document. We do have this record everything through through computer. You have all the record, because this is easily accessible, where anybody can just see it. Okay, the land of Prestone is from this much to this much, the size is this big, that big, and then what we doing is this council or the concerned authority will issue me the land holding certificate.